Seeing the message your account is on hold, retry your payment. When you open Netflix on your iPhone, it can be alarming, but it's usually easy to fix. This issue almost always comes from a problem with your billing information, such as an expired credit card, a declined transaction, or an outdated payment method. But don't worry, you typically won't lose your profile or viewing history. This guide will walk you through how to fix it easily on your iPhone. On your iPhone, open the Netflix app, tap any profile, tap the profile icon in the right side labeled My Netflix. Now tap the 3-line icon in the top right, select Account. This will open Netflix's account page. Now at the very top, you will see a link saying go to netflix.com/more. Tap on it, tap Continue if prompted, then tap Manage Account. Now sign in to your Netflix account if required. After that, you will be on an account page like this. Tap on Manage Membership from here. Now on the membership section, scroll down a bit and tap on Manage Payment Method. Now tap on Update. From here, you will have to re-register or update your existing payment method. It can be Visa, MasterCard, or whatever you use. Just update your payment method somehow, and that should fix the problem. This error usually shows up when Netflix can't find balance in your existing card or is unable to access your card. That's why updating it or re-registering it always fixes this problem. If this video helped you out, then hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials and fixes. And I'll see you in the next video.